welcome back. I'm going to be showing you how to make this DIY candy jar, perfect for Valentine's Day or any season really. I picked up most of my supplies from the Dollar Tree, and for the lid part I had to use this container. I couldn't find nothing else to fit the jar. Anyway, just pick your favorite spray paint color, spray paint the bottom and the lid. So once I spray painted the first coat, I let it dry and then I came back in with a second coat for full coverage. Your choice of ribbon is optional. You don't have to add ribbon. I used this Beacon 3-in-1 to glue down the ribbon. You can also use your glue gun, but I found that the 3-in-1 was better. And this little knob I already had in my craft supplies, but I'm sure you can pick that up over at Michael's or Joann's. You'll also want to pick up some candy to fill the jar, also from the Dollar Tree. And here at the bottom I'm going to be adding the ribbon. I just wanted to give it extra detail. And I'm applying that with the Beacon 3-in-1. Again, you can use your glue gun for this part as well, but I just wanted to use this one and try it out. I'm also going to be applying the ribbon to the lid. And I found this ribbon over at Dollar Tree as well. I thought it was so cute and perfect for my Valentine candy jar. Okay, so we're just going to let this sit for 24 hours just so that it can fully cure. And we're going to be applying the same E6000 to the knob. You want to apply enough, but not where it's going to overspill to the sides. And now what's left to do is just to fill the bowl with your favorite candy. And of course, this did not last long because with the boys just being at home, they kept coming back for more. You guys, I think this turned out so cute. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please also consider subscribing for more videos like this, and I will see you in the next video.